Hey guys, it's Denise here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk with you about the feeling that we can get when we do some of these exercises. We create our dream board, we write our list of what we want, and then we feel bad. Has anybody ever experienced this? This is actually a part of my story, like when we were going to hit this big, grand, crazy goal of Black Diamond. I said I wanted it. I was saying all of the right things, but in my head and in my heart, I said, yeah, right. Yeah, right. I don't know if you've ever experienced that yourself. And by the end of our time together, I'm going to share with you how I pushed through that, grew through that, so we actually did hit the goal of Black Diamond. But before I get started, if you haven't already, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and then share this video with a friend that you know needs to bust through their own glass ceilings too. Okay, so for those of you who don't know what Black Diamond is the top rank in our company, and it means that you earn a certain income for 6 months in a row. And part of our story is that we worked towards this goal for 3 years. The first year we missed it by just 1 month, and oh my gosh, it knocked me back. You know, if you've ever worked so hard, you're focused, but then it doesn't happen. Jeez, oh Pete, I was knocked to the floor. And so the next year when I went to say yeah, we want to go Black Diamond, woohoo, we're doing it. I set these goals, I put it on my dream board, I was saying and doing all the right things, but my heart said, yeah, right. Yeah, right. And so even though I was doing the right things, I was saying I wanted it, I honestly didn't think it would happen. I didn't believe it. And so guess what? When it didn't happen, I said, yeah, see, told ya. I knew it. Sometimes we self-sabotage. And so when we don't get what we want, we go, I knew it. At least I didn't put myself fully out there because I kind of knew it wouldn't happen anyway. I don't know about you, but I never get what I'm looking for. I never hit my goals when I have that, yeah, right, attitude in my heart. It just doesn't happen. And so if you're looking at your dream board and you're saying you want these things, but you have that little voice in the back of your head that says, yeah, right, I'm going to recommend one of two things. Number one, you can either change your dream board. You can. Maybe make it a little bit smaller. If you want a 10,000 square foot house and you're in an apartment right now, maybe it seems too big. And that, yeah, right, is okay, let's get our first house, whatever size it is. And then we can move to an area that has more land and maybe it's cheaper. And then it goes up in steps, right? So change your goal. It's okay. Change your dream to be something that connects with you a little bit more, and maybe you then believe it. Second thing you can do is change your beliefs. Change your beliefs. So the third year when we were working towards this goal, I wanted this goal. This was our next step. We had hit all the other goals essentially in terms of our business. And so this was our next goal. So I didn't want to change the goal, but what I did was change my beliefs about the goal. So I did a few things. We had a come as you will be party where we all pretended like it was 10 years from now, and we acted as if we had accomplished our goals and become who we wanted to be, and all experienced all these life things. And to get ready for that exercise or that party, I had to prepare. What is it that I really want? And I had to take this goal of Black Diamond and say, what does this mean on a daily basis? What does this mean for me and my family? What does this mean for my team? What does this really mean in a practical calendar level, right? And I grew in my belief because I started really embodying what a Black Diamond would do, how they would act, what they would think. And whenever that yeah right voice came up, I was this is what I want, and this is true, and this is where I'm going to stay focused. Do you know what I mean? And so I had to work inwardly to change the beliefs about my goal so that way they matched. my goal and my beliefs matched. I knew I could hit that goal. I was like made to hit this goal. You know what I mean? Like I was excited about it. It didn't make me feel bad about myself anymore. I didn't feel less than or unworthy. I felt ready to conquer the world. So if you're looking at your dream board and it makes you feel not like bad, or you have that yeah right in your mind, change your dreams to match your beliefs. That's okay. Like maybe break it down, start a little smaller, or change your beliefs to match your dreams. That's what I had to do. I had to grow inside to match the goal that I set for myself. And that year we hit it. I hope that this was helpful. If you want more free resources, check out the Dreamcast. It's my baby. It's so fun. Tons of great inspirational interviews and solo episodes. And then also check out the Dream Life Action Planner. You guys, if you want to take your dreams and put them on your calendar, this will help you do just that. So thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll see you in the next one.